Today we are staying in at the 13th century year old the Red Lion Hotel by Best Western. Right, we've got a nice little divine restaurant here. We've put to the breakfast in the morning, and we've got the 1220 bar. So let's go and have a look what this hotel's like. Well, this really old sign they've got, and it's back to the 13th century. And yeah, we've got the Red Lion Hotel. It's open to non-residents if you want to come in here for the restaurant and to enjoy a drink in their excellent bar.
Yeah, it looks good.
Here is the bar. Here is the entrance. The Red Lion Hotel, Salisbury, whatever you want to call it. And then we've got this lovely little bit out here. Shame it's winter at the moment. But yeah, very nice. Right, I've also got a little bit of parking down here. So let's go check out the car park. Here is just a small little yard to park your car. And here is the beast. Alright, let's get Kaz's jacket out for her. Lovely little Red Lion. Looks like it's meant to have like a little water feature, but it's not working. Here's the bar. What are we going to have? Lovely open fireplace. That for an amazing piece of art on the wall. A lot of history in here. Got about the coronation and one about a reformer dinner.
Oh yeah.
And here is Kaz going up to bed after drinking loads. Up these lovely stairs. Old style staircase. Don't know who he is. Kaz has broke us out.
Right, can't do it. Not me.
We've made it in.
You know what,
And lovely books.
sort of restaurant. I think you're-
Kaz was pulling the wrong door. Very narrow corridors down there. With old pictures and stuff on the wall. So yeah, we are in room 14, I believe. We've made it back. Just about. Alright, so here we are. Room 14. So here we are as always inside the room, starting with the fire plan. So we are all the way up down here. Number 14, as you can tell, this is quite a big hotel. It's only got the 2 levels though, ground floor, all their function rooms and stuff. And then up here. So yeah, coming into the room. Quite a nice size room. We've stayed in bigger. But yeah, here's Kaz.
Hello.
Testing out the bed as always. We slept in here last night, so apologies if the bed's a mess. We're filming this in the morning, it's a bit dark. Right, where should we start? Let's start this way. So we've got the light switch as you come in, the door round, or you can do the lock. We've done that. A TV. Probably around about 32 inch, you reckon?
No.
No? 42?
Less than that. No, that's a 32.
That's a 32. Definitely a 32.
It looks less than that to me.
Bathroom door there, we're going there in a minute. You're greeted by a big double wardrobe. The one thing I can say about this is the ceilings are really high. Look, I can't even reach anywhere near it.
24-inch that TV.
Yeah. So you've got a wardrobe. So in the wardrobe you've got your hairdryer, coat hangers, ironing board, iron down there, fan, and a little mirror if you want to check yourself out. I've just had a little beard trim this morning because my beard trimmer at home, I haven't got one of the plug sockets for it, and they've got one here. We'll see how we get into the bathroom. So yeah, I've got that. We've got a nice little chair to sit on. There is 2 chairs in this room, which makes a change. You've got your window. We're overlooking like the front entrance bit. So reception's down there.
Oh, window was open.
Oh yes, oh, that's why it was a bit cold. The window's open. It is, as I told you, it's a 13th century building, so the windows are a bit grubby. They're these old style ones. Right, got a little radiator here in case it gets too cold. So you've got another little vanity mirror thing. Got your kettle. Got your chair. You've got a little bin underneath there. These little lights on the wall just to give you some extra lighting. They give us 2 complimentary bottles of water. Kaz left her other one there. The remote for the TV. What's this little sign here? Little Red Lion thing. That looks quite cool. Then you've got your Tetley tea, Kenco coffees, your little milks. And then you've got 2 drawers down here where all Karen's stuff is, which I told her to move. Oh look, you know you're in a proper hotel now.
Oh, 'cause there's a
Got a
Bible.
Holy Bible. What's this? Didn't even see this.
Well, is that a menu or something?
Don't know. It's a little bit about,
It's about Best
little
Western.
information about Best Western.
Looks really old.
Probably is. It does say breakfast. Look, the breakfast every
Okay.
day from 7 till 10, so we've got to get a
7 till
move on.
Yeah, it's just 8:05 now, nearly.
Says on there dinner is 6 till 8:45. That's not what it said downstairs,
no,
was
it's
it?
5 till 9 downstairs. It's
Yeah.
5 p.m. till 9 p.m. for dinner.
Yeah,
you have to
so-
reserve it, that's why you have to book it in advance.
And then you've got the Victorian Lounge, which I don't think I showed you. And the 1220 bar where we went to.
12:20 bar, yeah.
Yeah. And then we're going to go to the Vine restaurant to get our breakfast today.
Okay.
And then I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, didn't even know that was in there. And in the bottom drawer, nothing. Right, and then we've got this nice comfy bed with a beadboard. Kaz is going to tell us what she thought of the bed.
Yeah, that was quite comfy actually. Not too firm, not too soft, just right really.
Did you get a good night's sleep in this one?
I slept okay, but you know, I don't always sleep very well. Got a bad toothache at the moment.
Oh, always problems for Kaz.
Yeah.
And then coming around to my side of the bed I slept on, got the little light on the wall, got a little 3-drawer chest of drawers, radiator, and a lovely picture. I'm hoping that is of Salisbury Cathedral. Right, let's just check what's in my drawers. Nothing. And nothing, what a surprise. Nothing in them drawers. Right, now we're going to go through that door over there, which doesn't close. This is the bathroom. So yeah, the door doesn't shut. It's well, it does shut, but it's got to put a lot of effort into it. Oh, right, let's go in. Oh, here we go. What does a 13th century bathroom look like? So, it's a decent size, big mirror. There's the razor point I was talking about. I managed to charge that up. Little shelf here, quite handy to put our stuff on. Got a sink with a mirror. Nice 3 bar of soap. A nice shower. You've got the rainfall shower and a normal one, as well as a bathtub. Nice to see a bathtub. The only problem is it kept going cold. I don't know why. It was going cold, then it was going hot, like halfway through the shower. But yeah, you've got your little heated radiator there for the towels. Obviously we've used all the towels. Do not flush anything but toilet paper down the toilet. So you've got your toilet there, your little scrub brush. That's obviously where all the pipes go, so they've just boxed it in. A little bin, your toilet roll holder, and another one of them shelves with a little spare toilet roll on there. So yeah, overall, quite a nice room. We'll tell you how much we paid for it in a minute, and you might not think it's a nice room. But yeah, we're going to go down and have some breakfast now.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little room tour. Do I need my jacket?
Probably not. If not, we're going to have breakfast. No.
Right, let's go get some breakfast. Alright, this is the other part. Nice quiet one. So you've got a little bread station. And you've got a little cereal bit over here. Kaz is helping herself to some cakes. Cereal was a little fruit section. Might have a yoghurt and juices. Yeah. Right, let's go finish off making my coffee. I've gone for the full English. Oh, it's a lovely looking breakfast.
I was just popping something in the
Oh
bin.
no, Kaz has come back from behind the counter.
No, I was just popping something in the bin. I wasn't doing anything naughty.
Yeah, some free water there as well if you want it. With cucumber in it. Best Western review. Here she is to review the room.
Hello! Kaz Crazy Life here. What can I say? The Best Western Hotel, the Red Lion.
Hold
It's
on.
really
I've just got to
nice.
stop you there.
Yeah.
Haven't you got to give a shout out first?
Oh yes, here's a shout out to Alan's mum, Alan's mum Angela, hello, and her partner Matt. Hello Matt and Angela.
There you go.
I think you'd like it here. It's a really nice hotel.
They couldn't afford it.
Oh. Maybe you should treat her.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Carry on with your review then.
What was I saying to you before I got interrupted?
Don't know, what was I saying?
It was a really nice, comfortable bed. Very traditional, very old building, 804 years old. So yeah.
We haven't actually fact checked that, but because the bar was called the 1220 bar,
1220 bar, so it's obviously
and it says it's a 13th century, no, 12th century of the 1100s.
Yeah. So
there's 13th century thing
13th
outside.
century hotel, yeah.
We're guessing it's going to be made in 1212.
Yeah.
So yeah, for this old hotel, what do you think of it?
Yeah, it's all right. I mean, the old-fashioned furniture is a little bit dated, so it could do with a little bit of a modern twist. But I do like it. I like the old-fashioned like beams on the ceiling. Do you want to show them the ceiling quickly?
We already showed the ceiling.
Oh, you already showed the ceiling in
It's
the
about
video.
200 foot in the air.
Yeah, it's a nice high, like a Victorian sort of style building with the dark beams. I really like it. Traditional.
Anything else about breakfast? You just went.
Yeah, I went down for breakfast. It was really nice. Had a full English. Also had some fruit, like a melon medley, and I had like 2 little pastries. They were really nice. Yeah.
Yeah,
And some
recommend it.
cranberry juice and some water.
So yeah, if you ain't staying here, you can buy the breakfast. You can come in and have breakfast. It's £16.50 per person,
Yeah.
which includes most of your drinks, because there is some speciality ones that I showed on the menu that you have to pay extra for. And there was a couple of breakfasts you had to pay like £5 supplement. But yeah, if you just come and have the full English and the continental stuff, £16.50.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Well, look, they're asking you to review it.
Oh, they're asking to review it now, yeah.
We just got a notification
Just got a
from
notification on
bookings.com. Because we're just about to check out in a minute.
Yeah, just going to check out and go to Salisbury Town.
So what did you think of the shower?
Yeah, the shower's nice, quite powerful, not too weak, not too powerful.
Once you
Just
figured
right.
out how it worked.
Yeah, because they had like a rainfall shower, then they had the shower hose as well as. But you had to pull the little knob thing out to get the hose bit to work. Had to wash my hair, you see, and don't get on with the rainfall one when I wash my hair, because I like to have the hose so I can rinse all the shampoo out properly and that.
Yeah, but it was good
Yeah.
quality shower, yeah.
It was a nice shower, yeah. Nice and modern.
And you had the option here of having a bath as well if you wanted to.
Yeah, even though it's a really old-fashioned hotel, the bathroom in itself was quite modern. Like the tap fittings and that were very sort of like square and modern silver taps.
And also, this hotel is very well looked after, because a lot of ones we go in, it's got mould and stuff around it and holes everywhere, and this one hasn't.
This one's got no mould, which is really nice. It's a refreshing change.
So yeah, so would you stay here again?
I'll definitely stay here again, yeah.
So yes, how much did we pay for this? So we've come on a Monday night, so it's not even the weekend, it's just a Monday night. No one books on a Monday night. The room cost us £120. And we also had parking here because it's literally right in the town centre, and we paid an extra £20 for that, so
Yeah.
£140 all in. But that was with
That's not
breakfast
bad.
included.
That's breakfast included as well.
So that would have been £33 knocked off if you didn't have the breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they allow us to keep our car here till 1 o'clock. So that saves us a little bit of parking in the town centre. We're going to go and have a walk around the shops.
Yeah.
You like I say, you're literally right in the town centre here.
Yeah, I
very
spied a
nice.
big Primark yesterday when we went for a little wander. I did see a big Primark that was still just about open, wasn't it?
There you go, she's going to go to Primark.
Gonna go to Primark today, have a little shopping spree, treat myself.
She's come all the way here to go to a shop that's everywhere in the country.
Yeah, but come on. Primark's Primark, I know that. I know you can go to them anywhere, but I do like my Primark fix.
Yeah, so for the people watching, what would you rate this hotel?
I'll give it a good solid 8 out of 10.
An 8, only an 8.
An 8, yeah, I think that's quite a high score, really.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, the room's a bit dark, there's a bulb out in here.
Yeah, it's a little bit dark and...
The corridors, if you
Stuff.
feel like you're drunk walking back from them.
Oh yeah,
They're
the
all-
floors are a bit wonky and uneven. A bit creaky.
I'd probably say 7.5.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's not up there as high as the Hilton one where we stayed at.
No.
And we paid less for that as well.
Was it weird?
So, for the price of it, and the actual facilities here, because the other one had a lot more facilities around, the bar I thought was a little bit pricey as well when we went out a drink in there last night.
Yeah, it was.
But other than that, yeah, solid 7.5, because I had a good night's sleep, comfy bed.
Yeah.
But yeah, hopefully this video has helped you out if you want to come and stay here, and let us know if you ever stayed in the Best Westerns. I mean, they have a reward scheme if you go to them regular. But this will probably just be a one and done for us.
Yeah.
But yeah, Best Western, Red Lion Hotel.
Yeah, and that's everything.
And where are we?
In Salisbury.
Salisbury, right.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to go and have fun. Going to go to the cathedral, I reckon, today. I've
Yeah,
never
the
been there.
cathedral and the shops and everything, and take some nice pictures and videos and stuff.
Now's the time where we get Kaz waving for hours. So yeah, thank you all for watching. And
Thanks
as
for
always,
watching. Bye for now.
we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Keep
Bye for
waving,
now.
keep waving.